In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Fortinet warranty. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just getting started with Fortinet products, knowing the warranty status of your devices is crucial. It ensures you have support when you need it most and can help you plan for future upgrades or replacements. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your home page. This is the starting point for accessing all of Fortinet's resources. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options and tools, but our focus today is on finding the warranty information. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the search icon. It's usually represented by a small magnifying glass, and it's a handy tool for quickly navigating the Fortinet website without having to sift through multiple pages or menus. Click on this icon to open up the search box. Now, with the search box open, go ahead and type the word warranty. This simple action is the key to unlocking all the relevant information you need about your Fortinet product warranties. As you type, the website may suggest related topics, but ensure you complete the word warranty to avoid pulling up unrelated content. Once you've typed in warranty, press enter, and you'll be presented with a list of results. Among these, look for the option labeled as Warranty and click on it. This link is specifically designed to direct you to the warranty information page, so don't hesitate to select it. After clicking on Warranty, you'll be taken to a new section where you can view the End User License Agreement, or EULA, and warranty terms. This is where you can delve into the specifics of what your warranty covers. Click on this link, as it will guide you to another page filled with the essential documents and details regarding your device's warranty. And there you have it, a straightforward process to check the warranty status of your Fortinet products. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're prepared and informed about the support options available for your devices. Remember, staying updated on warranty information is not just about security. It's about peace of mind and maintaining the efficiency of your network infrastructure. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.